A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Okay, show them that you know all the shapes, okay? Put it here. Yeah. Okay, now get the, what's that? Square. Where will you put square? No? Very good, Kali. Yeah, that's correct. Good girl. Next, the triangle. Where will you put triangle?
No.
That's good. Good girl.
No.
Yeah, that's correct. Next is? Next is what? Next, get the star. Where's the star? Kylie, where's the star? Twinkle, twinkle. Put the star here. Ah, that's letter. That's number 3. Not like that. I'll fix it for you. 3. Very good. Next. 1. Good girl. Next. B. Very good. Next. C. Correct. Oh, other side. Good girl. Next. How about letter A? Where will you put A? Very good, Carly. And number 2, where will you put number 2? Not like that. Other side. Oh, turn.